Hello kids, today we are learning about ascending and descending order. Ascending means things go from smallest to biggest or going up. Take three apples of different sizes, small, medium, large. Ascending order means arranging them smallest to biggest, like steps going up. This is the small apple, smallest. Next is the medium apple, bigger than small apple. Last is the large apple, biggest of all. Small, medium, large. Small first, then medium, then large. We are going up in sizes. Kids, take 5 numbers as example: 5, 3, 7, 4, 6. Look at all the numbers and find the smallest number. 3. Next smallest number after 3, 4. Next smallest number after 4, 5. Next smallest number after 5, 6. It is largest number among these. 7. So, final ascending order is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Descending order. Descending means things go from biggest to small or going down. Take 4 kids as an example with different height. Kids, who is tallest in this 4? Boy C.
Wow!
Next tallest? Boy A.
Wow!
Next? Boy D.
Wow!
Smallest among all is Boy B.
Wow!
So, descending order is tallest to smallest. C, A, D, B. Kids, take 5 numbers as an example: 7, 9, 10, 8, 6. Look at all the numbers and find the biggest number. 10. Next biggest number after 10, 9. Next biggest number after 9, 8. Next biggest number after 8, 7. Smallest number 6. So, Descending order is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Kids School Bag.